This is the Ohio AgNet. I'm Joel Penorwood, broadcasting from the Voice You Know at the News You Trust studio, sponsored by BASF and Zidua, the most trusted name in herbicides, providing Ohio soybean and corn acres with up to 2 weeks more residual activity and broad-spectrum weed control. Today, one of the more highly anticipated report days of the year from USDA. Government released both the prospective plantings and quarterly grain stocks report, and the market reacted quickly. Corn acreage pegged at 95.3 million acres. That's down from last year, but above trade expectations. Soybean acres came in at 84.7 million, up on the year, but actually below what traders were expecting. Wheat acres lower as well, hitting a historic low. On the stock side, corn inventories came in slightly below expectations, while soybeans and wheat were near estimates. Remember, rarely both corn and soybean numbers bullish or bearish at the same time, as our own Doug Tenney of Lice Mercantile reminds us in his report online at ohioagnet.com right now. One keynote is that the farmer surveys were collected before recent global tensions, adding another layer of uncertainty moving forward. Again, we're talking a lot about the changing in acres from corn to soybeans and such because of fertilizer challenges and global market disruptions. Now the focus shifts to whether traders fully buy into USDA's numbers and how inputs like fertilizer availability could impact final acreage this spring. So how did markets end up? Well, we'll get to that in just a moment as the Ohio AgNet continues.
Hey farmers, planting season is almost here, and Ohio AgNet wants to bring lunch to your farm. Our Feeding Farmers contest is going statewide, and we'll soon be picking farms across Ohio to receive a visit from the Ohio AgNet and free lunch for your farm family and crew. If you'd like us to stop by, get signed up today. Just visit ohioagnet.com/feedingfarmers to enter. Feeding Farmers is brought to you by Ag Revolution, Paradise Energy Solutions, and the Ohio AgNet. The voice you know with the news you trust.
Let's talk about those closing market numbers after this interesting USDA report day. At the end of all trading, May corn sat at $4.57 3/4 per bushel, up 2 cents. July corn up 3/4 of a penny to $4.68 1/4. Soybeans had a really nice one. May beans up 11 1/4 to $11.71. July beans 11-cent gain. Their price $11.86 per bushel. Wheat also not too bad. They were higher earlier in the day, but still had some gains. July wheat up 7 3/4 to $6.26 1/2. Markets brought to you by Seed Consultants. Simply better performance. Online at seedconsultants.com. April live cattle sitting at $243.03 per hundredweight. That's a $3.48 gain. Feeder cattle doing very nice, as May had a $5.15 today alone, $366.48 their price. Lean hogs for April down a nickel to $90.43, and then milk trending up about 11 to 20 cents today. I'm Joel Penorwood. This is the Ohio AgNet.